Kif aħna kollha sew? Stennew in-nies jingħaqdu ftit fil-platforms qabel ma nibdew l-stream. Illum dejjem nkunu qed nagħmlu Fears to Fathom Woodbury Getaway. Ħarġet tal-jiem ilu hija l-5 kapitlu fil-Fears to Fathom saga. Ngħidilkom il-verità kont qed naħsibha kif aħna lejn right? Ejju, kont qed naħsibha nagħmilx playthrough bl-Ingliż. Ovvjament bl-Ingliż tilħaq udjenza naqra ikbar. Imma ħafna mill-streamers il-kbar ishom ġew għamlu l-stream tagħha l-ġimgħa l-oħra. U qed might as well nagħmlu bil-Malti issa, so vera tolqot udjenza iżgħar. Ma tantx hawn min jistreamja bil-Malti Malti. So might as well nieħdu ċans issa nagħmlu bil-Malti. Minn hekk ikunu ftit, naqtu ftit nies. Kif aħna Mary, Ricky Brownie 1 2 3. Kont qed tistenna l-stream. Ejja, ma kif qed ngħid ma kontx naf hux ħanagħmilha bl-Ingliż jew bil-Malti. Issa qed ħanagħmilha bil-Malti. Xejn noqdu udjenza ta' Maltin. Din hija Fears to Fathom Woodbury Getaway kif kont qed ngħid l-ewwel. Kif aħna cardboard. Għadna ħanibdew Fears to Fathom. M'għandix ħafna li ħarġet xi 4 ijiem. Ilha teased naħseb xi sena kważi. Avolja għamilt il-playthrough tal-4 ftit tal-ġranet ilu. X'waħna Paul? Grazzi, kont qed tistenna. Okay, naraw l-options. Eating sounds u toilet sounds tajt nħallu. Nistgħu nħallu. Daw ma nafx hekk inħallix ultra, ħalli ma nkiddux. Half. Wow xaw. Full jew half. Nagħmlu ħafna mix-xorta. Episodes. Il-ġimgħa l-oħra labna din. Labna Iron Bark Lookout. Kienet tajba kien fiha ġixtieq tajja tajbin. Ma ġeftit il-webcam għax. Ċazz. Apparti minn hekk qed naħseb dil-playthrough nħallija kif inhi. Ma tantx ħajkun hemm editing involut. Sakemm ovvjament ma jkunx hemm ħafna mwiet li jkolli naqta' nirranġa. Let's get to it. Forsi ntella l-filmat kif inhu YouTube. Mal-kini. Maħniex sponsor mill-kini. Fears to Fathom episode 5. Woodbury Getaway. December 8. Needed coffee to get done with the day. X'għad interessant. X'ħanfittxu fil-browser. Nfittxu l-mara ħażina tal-linja. Ma jaħdimx. Nfittxu. You cry now. Nfittxu. You cry now. Mhux jaħdem. Xini? La, mux interessant. Mela kafe, like I said, I need a cup of coffee. Nabżon namlu kafe. Tinġaw uffiċċju. Staw ngaraw l-affarijiet. Kafe. Jammur namlu kafe. Dak il-kafe waqt il-ħin tax-xogħol għasel jinżel. Għandna kieni. Energy bull. Allura. Għasek, plastik. Nistaw ngaraw kollox. Kafe. Coffee. Water, ilma. Fejn ġibu l-ilma. Għanna l-pizza, għanna... Kif għaniklu għadi? Sink. Għanda. Għaddu majnija. Għaw meta l-lob iżidu tawt. ċafu għam l-art. Meta l-lob iżidu daw ħafna affarijiet żgħar. Il-lid. Dan. Daku. Restroom. Għajda l-estemilla. Għasek. Toilet. Għax nisluwa? La. Nisma' xi ħadd. Xi ħadd hawnhekk. Ewwel waħda il-bambin irid. Kif aħna Bruno. Well, ma'am, sorry, there's no anyone was in here. You almost gave me a heart attack, eżatt. I'm so sorry, should have knocked before. It's late. Yes, you should have knocked. Again, I'm sorry as you don't knock, but I'm a little bit frustrated tonight. Must have slipped my mind. What has you frustrated? Someone keeps throwing coffee cups on the floor, all over the office. Xaru kaza, nqul mhux aħna. It's been happening for weeks. That's really rude. To get back to where I want to be, I'll say exit. Idejna importanti. Telefon. Ma qed jaħseb fina dal-ħin tard. Filgħaxija. Go for Sydney Harper.
Hey, Harp, it's Mike. I've been trying to call your cell for the last 2 hours. It just keeps going to voicemail. Is everything all right?
Yes, my phone's been acting up.
Oh, snap. I was starting to think maybe you were ignoring me.
How funny. I know what you've got out in a club.
I'm just kidding. Anyway, what are you still doing at work? It's getting kind of late.
That's my
Damn,
time.
Harp, that sounds rough. Good thing I called to cheer you up. About our trip, did you get a chance to book the rental house? Just really wanted to see you.
Oh,
And Nora.
Da jistamu b'ridem vera antipatku, Xen għajdlu li nkun pasta sama għajdlu.
No worries, Harper. I don't want to stress you out. As long as you book it tonight, I think it'll be fine. Hey,
Għajdli.
I was thinking, since we both live in the city, maybe I could pick you up and ride together. It'd be nice to catch up.
Ma xiex nkun fil-karozza ma b'ridem bħal dan.
You know, save on gas and relive the good old days. Just a little bit of Mike and Sydney time before Nora gets there.
Sure.
Great.
Okay.
I guess I'll let you get back to work then. Oh, wait, one more thing.
Għajdli.
When you book the rental, please make sure to keep it under $100 a night.
Għanna għamel? Għala.
Nora and I were talking, and she's been on a pretty tight budget. Things haven't been going very well for her.
Ngab, nista naqta għadu, nista naqta. Ekk. Ġveri l-estimina, nista nqumu. Zerqolem. Nista nitlaħ minna. Mux il-left ċemkien. Book the cabin, għaj. Ktar ħaġa importanti kont ħalensa. Kif ħansibu għal-cabin, job booking. So. Tiktab affarijiet. Tiktab xi ħaġa li mhux nkun ġed nikteb jien. Mela hija nażlu waħda. Tidher sabiħa, 350. Bukjaw di. The 249, ħabi għal-Wi-Fi, ġnien, television, cameras, fan, parking, tajbu 250. Kellaw. Sbieħ, għadi 99 mux ħazin, ħa Wi-Fi, ġnien, kċina, television, fejn tistatu, parking. Tajjebu. Ma xokoltant ma tajkunu raħas ħafna, jkun hemm xi ħaġa ħażina. Ma Sadik ħajkonna nażlu bil-fors. Hey, I'm assuming I get hundreds if not thousands of stories sent daily. So I'll give you a basic rundown of something that happened to me. I'm sorry if some of it is written weird, but I was rushed. When I was in my early 20s, I worked at a big consulting firm in my city. Life at the firm was a constant juggle of deadlines, client meetings, and trying to prove my worth, which didn't leave much room for leisure, let alone a social life. The job paid well, sure, but at the expense of my mental peace. I'm Sydney Harper, and the story takes place during one of those days. One of my college friends, Mike, suggested that we take a weekend getaway to rural Vermont, which sounded like a perfect break from the cycle of work. And my other friend, Nora, was quick to jump on board as well. The plan was simple. We rent a small cabin, close our shift early on Friday, leave and be back on Monday. Mike came to pick me up. Two days later, يومين ورا. No Mike. No Mike. Afternoon, quite chilly today, yeah? Seen you around, but haven't had a chance to introduce myself. I'm Gail. لا مش اسمه. It's nice to meet you. Exit. Stankuno b'satas exit. I forgot my suits in the elevator at first. Oh no. Fejnu. Harp. Hug. Għandek raħatara, buddy. That's still how you hug people. Why don't you hug me like you missed me? Just have to see if you smelled first. That. Fair enough, but for the record, I shower just for the occasion. I think it's too good for signal marker. Okay. You look good. So do you, Mike? You can just throw your stuff in the bag and we'll get on our way, ifhem? Jek qed tipprova ġejt għalina, ħafna komplimenti, stajt abbejta għandi, ma all right. Harp, are you ready to hit the road? No. On 26 l-4 naqes 5, l-4 u nofs naqes 5. X'għandu interessanti jew. It was starting to snow. Not much signal when you're out here this far. Exit awkward. Biex toħdu moħħi. Isn't it weird? We used to dream about escaping our college and now here we are. Trying to escape from the life we wanted to live. Funny how that works. Change is just hard, like trying to adjust to the new job. Speaking of jobs, how's your new job going? We're working on this project that uses machine learning to predict market trends. It's pretty cutting edge stuff. Okay. Which interessana. Harp, do you ever miss college? No, ta' ma tantx. Right, I guess the only good thing that came out of college was us. Us, I am, you, me and Nora. Alright, naqtalek. Text message. It's nearly 5 p.m. and I haven't received a confirmation text from you. I just wanted to check in and make sure everything is okay. The roads near Woodbury can be a little dangerous if you're not on our way and she'll be there around 6. Actually, do you see that school bus? See what? There was a school bus. It's a project. Someone's idea of turning it on tiny mornings or something. We're on our way and she'll be there around 6 p.m. The snow, so that's done quite a bit. Thanks for checking in. Okay, please confirm when you check in and travel safe. The internet Native American lore, seeing a deer across your path is like getting a message from the universe. Yeah? I don't care. Okay, please confirm when you check in and travel safe. Control reception, so. Should be about an hour and a half from here, you know. Feels like we're traveling to the intergalactic space. Waqt għali dal-paroli, Look at the way the snowflakes swirl around the headlights. It's like stars and galaxies rushing past us. Għandu naqra raġun. It's kind of beautiful. Wasalna. Għax għajjeni jgħid. Il-5:15 ta' filgħaxija. Wasalna. Yo, Harp, check that out. Xaw. Moose pizza. Ejja, ħannifu neħdu pizza. Tajjeb, ħannifu neħdu pizza. Tkun trida waqt vjaġġ waqt triq twila. Nista' noħroġ? Tell you these new GPS systems are something else. This pizza is exactly what it appears. It's like living in the future. I'm so hungry, I think we'll eat our pizza by myself. X'għandu dan? Aw, min jafni. Jaf għalfej waqaft inħares lejn il-karozza. What are you waiting for? You got a chance. Xanna tajjeb, cheese 3 euro, veggie 4 euro, salami 4, spiċċat, mo special, mushroom 6 euro, barbecue chicken 5, spiċċat u kalzo għana 5 euro. Tlaqna. Come on in. Somminna l-bija baraħ xinnu ġentlu.
This just in. Reports of a strong snowstorm coming towards Woodbury tonight. Indoors and keep warm during this time. Let's check in with our field report. How's the weather out there, Phil?
It's so cold out
Sitter
here.
il-pizza tajba?
The studio should have really brought some snow gear instead of buying that new coffee machine.
I'm sure you'll be fine.
There's pepperoni here.
Jerry, you cannot be serious. You know my doctor said not to drink any caffeine.
Tajba, sitter il-pizza.
Someone's having a bad day. Maybe you should.
Evening, folks. Looks like the code's got everyone craving pizza tonight. You fine folks know what you want to eat. We'll get 3 slices each. I'll go with pepperoni, cheese, and the veggie. For you, miss, pepperoni, nġibu margarita. And the drinks for you folks. Jinnieħu kokat. Just the pizza. X'tindaħal? Right, then 6 hot slices coming right up. That'll be 22.50. Felt, missu jħassilna għota. Oh, snap, I left my wallet in the car. Stija kombinazzjoni. Ejja, nsejt il-wallet fil-karozza. Mux tmur għalih, wara l-bib qiegħda. Do you have any cash? Ma ġarra xejn, sa nħallas jien. Fik raġel ukoll. Verse 27. Okay. Huwa tal-ħsejja, sa. X'inhu jagħmel?
In our refurbished cabins. Now, not only are these cabins
Ċatfi, ħalla moħħi. Long sniff. So there's some good in here. Long sniff. Ħata pizza ma jirkilla ħadd.
Oh, you guys are going to hate me. I swear I'll get on the road as soon as I can. But something last minute popped up. I'm not going to bore you with all of the details. The long and short of it is one of my clients needs a last minute change. Their payments are about the only thing keeping the lights on. I hate to leave so late, but I've got to keep them happy. I'll have this logo done before you know it and be on my way.
Tajjeb, ġifri waħħaltu li ma dan. I just saw it. I guess we'll have to start the fun without her. What can we do? Don't act like you don't know what I'm talking about. Le ma nafx ta. Order number 27. Your forks are right here. Ejja sa fl-aħħar. Walla l-likel. Forsi jimlaħal u bl-likel dan. Ġifiri ħattijak, ħattijaj. Alright. Ġara xejn. Sunset, thank you. Grazzi ta. Għandna mal. So slaps. Astani kol. Sejjes tal-ikel. Issa tħallini niekol you actually eat the crust. I'd eat a tire if I was hungry. I want to eat someone else's tires who still got a better driving to do. Not funny. Hey there, my friends. My friends, minute. I saw you're pulling in driving that nice old truck. That's right, you're just washing coupons in and taking notes. You seem to be heading the same direction I was. لا, naħa l-oħra sejri. Where's your car? Who needs a car when there are fine friends like you to pass the time with? You don't even know what's there. Twice as a church mouse and twice as nice. So what do you all say? Care to give this free spirit a ride down that snowy road? X'għan għażlu? Sure, I'm not sure, I'm sorry or no. Lulele. I don't know that. You kidding me? Have you seen the snow out there? I'm walking. Sorry. Għasek kitlaq. Fak ma jridek. Xallu n-niekol. Sorry. Was good. Here are the keys. There is one for when you should drive part of the way home. Get a break. Okay, what kind of break are you going to give me? Okay, so we can go dishing. What is it? Bedrooms, whatever. Għabda ġemma jgħamela jpassiġġana unnulem, jitkellem wahdu. Alright, buddy. Fejn, seħibla.
Vermont. This is your host on WKWB, your hometown station, bringing you the best tunes to warm your hearts on this chilly night. As we embrace the first snowfall of the season, there's nothing.
Tfajla. Looks awkward. Not this thing. So, xedin daqxej ġo. Kena ċans. Santa. Ma ġara xejn. Ejja, għandu mhux ma naslu. Veċina di. Xemla. Sarra nsibu d-dar. Esatto. Sorry. Fini. La vicini. Differente der. Tal-petrol. Shackled by lust. Jesus sets free. Woodbury, issa wasalna. Hawnhekk. Jar, wasalna. My next fell asleep 1 second, I don't care. Sabiħa tidher. Lena minnek. Faħġa xejn ta' garden. Xi ħadd hemm fuq. Wkoll. Isma'. Aħjar imorru minn fejn ġejna ta'. Inti mbagħad infehmek għala x'hekk ngħidlek qed taħsibni miġnuna. Ġej? Lew. Code. Could count on you. I really need to hit the John. You put these groceries away, should be enough space in the fridge. Sure. I'm spice shut thing. Best milk. Pig farm and bell peppers. Pig farms, bell peppers. Off neither tajjeb dan iktar. Frozen yogurt. Bite. Huss. Għamlu nesploraw naqra d-dar. Għamlek zgur li dan. Sorry about that harp. Hang on. Bismillah, come pizza. Una lentina. Minutes after peeing. You better about the drive. Check out the house and it's good to me. Xej ġdejt. Xadna. Xej ta' study, television, u Amiga. Għabieħna l-post, għawna għad il-dinosaur, board games. Xint tagħmel men warajja, saħħa noħroġ. Għarel. Ġej ma' wiċċi, għaddilem. L-arċina ġarajnija. Fuq. Għanna isawa, xrum għom sa' store. Kamra ta' s-sodda. Dak il-wiċċ ta' kondo nebatek tixxejjer għandi update. Oh, hey, you're here. Minute. Into my home sweet home. Ekk allura. Għata lovely and couple. Għalla ħbieb bista. Don't expect anyone. Oh, I was out looking for my cat earlier and the radio TV has been on the fritz here. I thought I'd stop by and try to get it working again since the last few folks left a bad word for it. You know, they say treat your guests like family. My family doesn't go without TV. Il-familja tiegħi anke minn ħarata hija jkabbawka għax ninkwieta. U proċess għalej kien fajtem wara. Speaking of that, no, don't get your folks here, me show you around my sweet home. Issa, vedo anybody issa mitfuħda. With a nervous energy. Here's your shower. The thing will make you feel like you're bathing underwater from the Amazon jungle. This thing doesn't work, unfortunately. Not to worry, I'll get it fixed for you real soon. Alright. The Carb's room has a nice ass view. Think that's nice, mister? Wait till I show you the deck. The deck? Follow me now, please. لا تفعلت. امشي. ايش الجميلة. أو باسي. This month is incredible. Folks like it. This is one of my favorite spots. The view of the creek is beautiful. Fishing. Now, sabiħa barra. Tista' tuni ċans. Stocked up the fridge with some tasty food. You see the knob, turn the knob from a cooling blankets out of water heater. Yalla. storage stuff. So the bottom of the pilot letter. Yeah, I'm not sure. Incoming, tinna ċans, għana għarek inti ċattaħ biex għana ġaw. Once the deal, jgħadda xej użq viċin. Għallu għajdu. Isma, provajt niftaħu biex neċċajta ma. Well, no way be able to keep it to myself. The fella I bought this house from, his mother died down here. Some guests have reported hearing voices at night saying they could hear something shuffling around down here. Not to scare you folks, but if I were one of you, I wouldn't really step down here. How funny. Some faces. ċajta tajba. 6 out of 10, nifem. Anyway, was the name of the booking I must be getting gold. Sydney. Ah, Sydney, that's right. Written in by pretty girl. Yeah. Super weird. Very weird. Take a quick shower. Upstairs. Lesti mid-doċċa. Issa x'nagħmlu ġew ninżlu isfel. Stadu. Harp. Common carp, cheese delights, your sweet corn. Okay. Voilà, barmil. Le. Xrejtem tfittxu aħna xorta. Il-karp, x'tiex il-karp bil-Malti? Għat ma konċi għed l-għu l-istat. Maċ waħda? Jew. Ejja naf, marka. Jgħal mix-xej. Daw bissa tittini. Naqbad waħda inti, tant biex nibdew. Sib waħda oħra. Nobodu s-sajt, u għad n-mort nistat fħajti. Għoż min tistat, min għale. Darba toħra eventualment. Ejja. Tinej. Ħekollajn, ħekolli naqbadhom. M'intix kapaċi. Basta inventajt is-sajt. Però ordnajna takeaway. Ordnajna wold jew bolt. Ejja. Back and throw these in the oven. Ejja, tlaqna. Inna l-spazju. Għadkom li kell. Il-ħed il-ġi. Dobra, tiġi jekk il-mażur. Preparing the marinade. A bowl and with ginger paste, cooking oil, black pepper, salt. Olive oil. Italian seasoning. Okay. Paprika. Salt, black pepper. Oh. Anyway, master chef. Could you eat the veggies? Tini chance? Okay, I'm not off to you. Tastes amazing. Għanna nabu. Chess, tower stack, Ouija. La. What were they? Nice choice. Yeah. Those here up the diffiċli. Xadni kem najt. Ajja mara. Samarda ġunu għawa. Għanna rpulu l-dalġaħan. Effortless. Għakun għabxu. Għal-issa zgur il-waqqawa. Ma s-sawana ġaxna l-għabak maġab l-għaxa. Smooth moves, ġbik. Waqqaxa hija. Rek naqla din. Jew din. Forse nwaqqaw għat-torri. Paċenzja hija kollox. Twaqqaħħa nitfaq bik. Ma naħsibx li ħallik ta. Ma naħsibx ħallik ta. Proset. Inkam dan, daqsek, xajjiet. Oh, social distancing, eh? Nsiex għadilna superintendent. You really did well. Thanks. The crowd should be just about done. Għas-salam. Għek bidejk, minn fon, proset. Bil-forsa. Remote fejni. Għarat ta' biex tixaru t-television.
Maize. This delicacy is very popular in Romania, where mayonnaise flows down the rivers like a mayonnaise water park. So first, we are gonna prepare the asparagus.
Ta' xi brain rot ta' television.
A lot of salt. Salt is good for the bones. After letting these simmer in the salt bath, we can start making the chocolate. Take a couple cocoa beans. Yes, the cocoa beans need to be blended into the sauce with a little bit of vinegar. Gotta keep that fancy flavor in there. The next thing we prepare is the mayonnaise. We stir fry this in a pan with Irish tofu.
Fit. Television tal-brain rot. Okay. Naħsbu il-platti. Importanti wara l-ikel, il-ħassib tal-platti. Ġin kella s-sibom l-għada. U believe me, platti fil-għodu. Daw kollha. Well, I think there's someone under my bed right now. Can you come upstairs? Someone under my bed. Għazin. Look at it, Soldier. Walk slow. Fejn l-lak? X'forma ta' animal u bejma tkun? Didn't break your nose. No forġok. Bda. Oh my John, don't mess them up. That was just a joke. The basement. Jalla, għapos fejn tistaħba l-basement. Noli. One Mississippi. 2 Mississippi. 3 Mississippi. 4 Mississippi. 5, 6, 7 Mississippi. 8 Mississippi. 9 Mississippi. 10 Mississippi. If you're not, here I come. Oh no. Għandu dan mux għal fil-basement, yeah. Never tfuħ għamil, għamil tfuħ. Jollo, kif jgħat? Aha. لا مش فينو سبتك. I heard something upstairs. I heard something sliding up there. Didn't hear it. Sat على هاو stepstool. شو باكيتا forse per storage room. Ah. Attos. X'għandna fejxu. Ma skoprejna x'kien il-ħoss. It was just a cat. And the tool shed in the backyard. Għamlek naħseb aħjar. Aħjar issa. Mhux ħajsibna żgur. Ġejta. Kien hemm xi ħadd hemm ġew. To bed. Jistaħba ġoddar. Wara li rajna figura ġoddar. 2 Mississippi, 3 Mississippi, 4 Mississippi, 5 Mississippi, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Biex nerġa' nidħol ġoddar wara rajt il-dak. Jew dik. Jwalli għadda minn hawn isum tala minn hemm. Serje ma jista'. So. Xtaħbat. U li jħor u koll. What happened? Again, I'm fixing the faucet. You got a problem? You have told us. Need to check in with you every time I fix something. Sajta tkellimt. It was a hammer before. Sense yourself, young man. Miss that. Please be quiet. This house would like to have it to ourselves. We don't really want to have to call law enforcement. No cops in Woodbury, son. We want tourists down here, right in the faucet. Għala x'tagħmel? Itlaq. Unbelievable, xi kultant set il-post. No shame. No shame. Probably arrange it well. Debated what to do. You give you something off from Rick about Rick from the start. It seemed like he enjoyed making the excuses to come over unannounced. The idea that Rick was really probably harmless, but attributed his behavior to an extreme lack of social awareness. Look, we don't want to be out here, let's just enjoy ourselves, Mike said. By this time I was feeling really tired. I decided to get some rest. 11:39, nofs il-lejl naqs 20. Ġara. Still awake, how to know someone's not able to do it, wake up and like to talk about something. Jidħol. Ġara. Sawn xallu bozza. Le, stop. Ġara. I can hardly see the truck in the driveway. Was okay, she'll be just fine. Said, don't worry, I'm here to keep you safe. Huh? Yes, I'm all about all. Guys are supposed to watch over people they care about, right? What are you talking about? Today, huh? This wasn't exactly how I thought our Getaway was going to go, said me. Can you believe that guy? He just keeps wandering around the house like he owns the place. Fehmuti, yow. Rosetta time at Sydney. He shouldn't just barge in the place whenever he wants. We're renting the damn house. That's what the hand, but I'm frustrated. I don't. To sleep now, Mike. I don't agree. Come sit by me, Sydney. Ma tkun daqsxejn. You know, yeah, I've missed this. I was just talking, it's been too long. You don't have to sleep around tonight if you don't want. Mike, where is this coming from? To whatever. Sa fl-aħħar.
Guys, I think I'm about 70 miles away from Woodbury and my stinking tire just blew out. It's snowing and I'm on the side of the road on Highway 11 near Killington. There's a sign by the side of the road. It's hard to see. I think it says Kent Pond. The snow is like half a foot deep and I can't get the lug nuts off the tire. I hate to ask, but can you two come get me?
X'biċċa ġelat. Fejn? Oh. But I guess we can't leave now stranded. So they say here and get some sleep. There's no sense in both of us freezing over the top. Yes, I'm sure. If you're in pajamas and the sun just you can settle in and then go help in water. Okay. I'm talking about this later, okay? Get some good rest and stay warm. Ciao. Bitta barra. I need one right now. Is that correct? 12:39 الساعة 23. Biex jataħabtu dal-ħin. Nispera għala ta' emerġenza globali. Bad spot. Some friends, but they're running behind and will be here for about 2 more hours. Not coming in, end of story. Kidding me? You saw that out here? Which here is you were back at the pizza joint. I didn't see you until his boyfriend fishing. Jay. Let me tell you something. Look at what's coming to for leaving me out here. Could you please come look since you live so close? Stop. Jogħġbok. Friend, the guy goes with you. Might want to wake up. He should be back soon. So you're all alone here right now? Yes. So ما شاء الله نقرا الدور. البار توجمي. Stay away. Ecco. Insomma, yet. Come back over. Until me. 10 weeks. Oh, damn. Famous. Sorry, friends. Can I do the work? Isn't that so? Fine, man. Jesse. This is this house and you're trespassing. I don't think so. It will be one of us. Uh-oh. Già guarda roba. Esperienza traumatizzanti. ċaħġa fuq ħajf qalbib, għajjajt niġri. Biex ta' kondu liħor. It happened after Mike had left. Rick had called the cops and Storm had quieted down by the time they arrived, and of course the man was nowhere to be seen. When I would drive back the whole night, played over and over in my head, wishing that the man we saw secretly lived in that cabin where it wasn't being used, and planned on robbing us during our stay. And there was more than his actions from just robbing us. Rick asked me what the man looked like after that. He didn't ask any more questions. I think he knew more than he was letting on. In the end, he gave us a full refund at Miss Soler. Ej, speċjali ħames episodju. With 0 deaths. Jirnexxielna ma mmutux. Studios. Thank you for playing Fears to Fathom. Dak kien episode 5. Naħseb dak kien l-aħħar wieħed issa mhux ħejħorġu iżjed. U folja u taħtaw miktub we have a story to share. Veri forsi għandhom idea biex joħorġu xi logħba oħra. Thank you. Mumkin li suġġerixxi li niżlu fil-basement. Ma nistax insib. Ma nistax insib min kien. Stilla, inti. Ejwa. Grazzi tal-li għattenna biex niżlu ġo l-basement. Imbagħad ntelgħu fuq. Għattenna tajni dajni. Grazzi. Samma nisparu ġbitkom bi. Naħseb mill-Fear to Fathom is-serje dik kienet l-aħħar waħda, issa mhux ħajkonna iżjed. Ma għandna lob iżjed għax nilagħbu. Għandna iżjed lob xi nilagħbu. Ħajkonna ftit iktar. Jekk jogħġbukom daw it-tip ta' videos, għafsu like, għafsu subscribe, għalli tkunu notifikati kull darba li jitla video fuq YouTube. Ija,